Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Susie. I hope everybody's doing great. I have a fun 5-day craft with me. It will start tomorrow and it will run for 5 days. And I'm going to show you how to make this journal. Now this was the similar journal to the 5. I kind of said that I would probably do a craft with me, that we would do something similar to that 5 journal. And so I've got this done and I can't wait for the little craft with me's, and I hope that you're able to kind of get in on it and maybe make you one of these fun journals. So I'm going to show you the journal. My inspiration did come from the most recent issue of the Somerset magazine. And of course this was inspired by Lynn Moncraft. I love her creations. She inspires me every time I see something that she's created. If you don't have a Somerset magazine, if you'll go to Pinterest, she's on Pinterest. And anyway, you can find a lot of her grungy things there as well, her creations. So she just inspires me by her grunginess and things that she uses. I just love her work. So this here, I'm going to show you, and it is similar to the 5, so it's going to be pretty close. There are some things different, but then there are some things that will be pretty much the same. I am titling this one the 4, so since that was the reason why I called the other one the 5 was because of the number here, this one will be the 4. So anyway, so let's get into it. And here is the first page. Here is my booklet. Okay, and it is a little trifold with a lot of stitching. All right. And this book can be as long as you want it, as narrow as you want it. But if you want to follow along how I did it, I will have that ready for you tomorrow. So here is just a little collage. I've got some vintage trim here, vintage lace. And I have made another little booklet for this little bag here. I really love making these little grungy journals. This is just right up my alley. And then here is our book, our little journal book here. It's got stitching, it's got rub-ons, and just plain papers. Okay, here is the back of our little booklet. And then here is our little file folder, a time card page. And here is just some little collage there. And there. And then here is another little booklet. It's kind of like a little memo booklet or memo pad. Using that vintage grungy lace trim, stamping. Here is the back. These are just those old envelopes. Here's my collage for this bag. And then in this one I have another little envelope here, and we have just created a booklet here. So have a little script stamping in this to kind of match the envelope. Got my little Tim Holtz tiny paper clip there, and that will set in the bag. And then here is our booklet again. We got 2 booklets in this one, just like we did the 5. We got the fun stitching in there. And then here's the back of our booklet. Here is a little time card. We got the number 4. This is some vintage Tim Holtz here. I found that at that really fun sale. And then here is our envelope that I put in. We have a little envelope that's been coffee tea stain dyed. This pulls out. This is a booklet with a couple of pages you can journal in. And here. And then when we flip it over, this is another little journal. And I thought about putting something here, but I just kind of left it like that in case the recipient wanted to write something or maybe add something of their own there. So, and then here is the other side of the booklet. And then here we have a pocket. Now, on day 5, I will have a tutorial on how I made that. So, day 5. It will be at the very end of the video. So, you will know how to make one of those for your envelope. Whoops, wrong way. So, here is the 4. And here, of course, is the back. So, all right. So, that will start tomorrow. And I hope that everybody enjoys that. I hope that you're able to, like I said, create one. These are so fun. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.